The land of the icy. 2010 Ford Focus. Oh, welcome to Smash Engineering. It's been a minute since I made a video. It's nice and early in the morning here in the winter wonderland that I dwell in. The door opened. We had to kind of like pry on the handle. Okay, let me flip the camera around for you.
Smash Engineering.
There we go, much better. Had to kind of pry on the handle, broke it a little bit here. That's just a face covering though, we're not so worried about that. But had to like, this ice that we have, this liquid hell that we have here, has done something. Owned the car for 5 years, 4 years, 3 years, something. And anyway, had to pry the door open, and the latch is not resetting. If you shut it, it simply bounces back open. So the fix for this would normally be, you could stick a screwdriver in there, pull on your latch handle and reset it. But if I pull on the handle and do this, it's nothing. There's no latch catch, no nothing. So we're gonna go to our favorite place in the world. No, it doesn't matter. You can use a hair dryer. This is just what I happen to have right now. But we're gonna turn it on a low setting. We're gonna get some heat in there, because the only thing that changed from when this worked to when it didn't is the temperature outside. Anyone who chooses to live in this weather, bless your soul. I want to live where this lock melts, not where it freezes. So I'm gonna apply heat to this. I won't make you guys watch the whole time. But yeah, I'm gonna simply apply heat to it and thoroughly. I don't want to melt anything. Now this is plastic. This is a 2010 Ford Focus. That is plastic. So at a certain temp, it will cease to be a solid, and you don't want to do that. So make sure you're not overheating it. Maybe stop every once in a while. But my theory is, at least for now, I haven't fixed this yet. I'm fixing it live for you guys. My theory is that water melted down through the latch, or got in through like the keyhole or something, and got down in there. So the frozen part may be inside. So I've been applying heat to this. As you can tell, it's not iced up anymore, but this was covered in ice, just like that, or just like this actually. So I've been applying heat here. I sprayed WD-40 and everything. That also didn't work. Usually WD-40 will free up a frozen lock. I had to check to make sure the door wasn't misaligned. When the door was open, it got fell against right here. So I thought potentially that the door could be misaligned or something. But upon inspection, I can tell that the latch is hitting right in the center of the receiver is hitting right in the center of that. If I close it really slow and watch, so that's not the case. So now that we've applied heat to it, we're gonna take, the screwdriver is gonna represent the latch, and pull on that handle. Hey. All right, let go. All right, pull the latch. Let go. Don't hold it open. All right, go ahead and pull the latch. Go ahead and pull the latch. All right, let's see. So folks, as you can see, this door lock is still quite frozen, but It is now good. It's still not acting like it should, but it is actually latching. So you could actually drive the vehicle to work now. Now, if only I could have fixed this earlier this morning, this wouldn't have caused a missed day of work. But these things happen, and I wanted to quickly grab the video camera and make a quick video on this so that way it doesn't affect your guys' day negatively. So don't feel sick, don't be sad. Come over to Smash Engineering, we got you covered. Much better. You know, I always say if it does the job, it's not the wrong tool, but in this situation, I think this is the wrong tool. Well, thank you for watching Smash Engineering. I know this is a quick video, but I wanted to run this through and hopefully it helps somebody. I did Google this, hoping for someone that have already done this, because I didn't know. I thought maybe the plastic inside, because I don't agree with them being plastic. I'm sure there's an engineering reason for it, and that's beyond my pay grade. So my pay grade is to get on here and help you guys, and I appreciate everyone watching. The channel's been doing really well. I've had a family member that was ill and just a lot of things going on in life, but we're all doing better now, and I'm hoping to start putting out some more content. So thank you guys for your continued support. Thank you so much for all the engagement. Thank you so much for sharing my videos. I really do appreciate it, and it means so much to me. Thanks for watching.